Good evening. Today we are going to solve puzzle number 2. This puzzle is taken from the book Enthralling Sudoku, authored by Ashish Kumar, and this puzzle is test solved by Kota Morinishi. He is world Sudoku champion, and he took 1 minute 31 second to solve this puzzle. So let's start this puzzle. All right. First, we got our first clue very easily. Because of these two threes, we can simply eliminate threes from these cells and 3. Now, because of these 6, we can eliminate 6 from these cells and now 6. Because of this 3, we can block these cells for 3 and 3. All right. Scan more. Okay, now just see this 7th row. In this 7th row, let's see 5 and 6. We can block this cell for 5 and 6. We can block this cell for 5 and 6. But still not getting anything. Okay. Alright, we will do some pencil marking. We can block these cells for 7 because of this. Now 7, 7. Now 7, 7. Okay. 3, we can simply block these cells for 3. Now the only possible place for 3 is this. Now we can block these cells for 3 and here we can write 3. Now I think we have done all the 3s. Yes, this we are working on this row number 7. So 5 and 6 and 5 and 6, we can block these two cells for 5 and 6. And now here we can do pencil marking for 5 and 6. All right. Now sorry, 4 and 8 and 4 and 8. Because of this, we can simply block these two cells for 4 and 8. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We got the pair of 4 and 8, and with this we can simply eliminate 7 from this cell and we'll write 7. Now 1. So in the box 1, 2, 3, only 5 and 9 are left, so we can eliminate 5 from here. 5 and this is 9. Now only 2 numbers are left here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 9. So we'll place pencil marking 6 and 9. And in this 1 and 2. So 2 and 1. Now these two boxes 5 and 7. 5 and 7, 5 and 7. This is 1, 2, 9 triplet. This pencil mark will help you to solve it more easily. Now see the last box, check the last box. Because of this 8 and this 8, we can block these cells for 8. Now this is 8 and this is 4. Okay. Now check the last box, only two numbers are left, that is 1 and 7. So again we got the pair of 1 and 7 in the last two cells. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. Now in the last column only three numbers are left, that is 2, 5 and 6 triplet. 2, 5 and 6. So we can simply eliminate 5 and 6 from this cell, and now we can place 2 and we'll do the pencil marking for 5 and 6. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We are getting so many pairs. Now because of this one, we can eliminate 1 from these cells. Now 1. Now the box number 3, only 3 numbers are left, that is 4, 7 and 9. 4, 7 and 9. Let's check. All right. All right. Now check the third row. In the third row, we cannot place 7 in these two cells, and also 7 is not possible here. So this must be 7, and this must be 1. All right. And only two numbers are left, that is 4 and 9, and we can eliminate 9 from this cell. We'll write 4 here and 9. Now 4 and 8. All right. 1, 4. Now check this triplet. 1, 4 and 9, and 1, 4 and 9. We can eliminate 1, 4 and 9 from these two cells, and we'll get the 1, 4, 9 triplet in these three cells. And because of this 4 and 9, we can eliminate from 4 and 9 from here. This is 1. This is 4. This is 4, 9, 8, 8, 8, 8. Now the puzzle is simple now. You can simply place more digits. 7. Now 7, 5, 5, 6, 6, 9. Very good. These pencil mark helped us a lot. Okay. Now see this 4. 4. Only one number is left, that is 9. Box number 7, only two numbers 5 and 6 are left. We can simply eliminate 5 from this cell, so 6 and 5. Now 6, 5, and this is only two numbers are left here, so this is 2, 1, and this is 6, 6, 5, 5, 2. Now because of this 2, we can block these two cells for 2, and because of this 2, we can block this cell for 2. Now this is 2. Okay, now 2, 1, 9, 1, 1, 7, 7, 9, 9, 4. Now puzzle is solved. Thank you. I hope you liked the puzzle. You tried to solve it and just test your timing. Best of luck. All the best.